By 1800, England is flooded with a number of new inventions. Henry Court creates the puddling process, which allows coal to become the main fuel for the iron industry. Even larger factories are constructed in your town, and your canal is now used to transport iron around the country. With the demand for coal increasing for a variety of uses, such as for powering steam engines, iron production, and heating homes and tenements, more coal mines are built. Mining is dangerous and extremely hazardous to one's health, but many people work in the mines, including children as young as 8. Most of these coal miners are malnourished and in poor health. As a result, death rates in your town increase. Add the following to your drawing. You have 3 minutes to do so. Add 2 new coal mines. Replace the wooden bridge crossing the river with an iron one. Add 4 new houses. Add another cemetery. Add new roads connecting these new places.